She so bougie, bougie, bon appetit. I'm a savage, attitude nasty. Talk big shit, but my bank account match it. Hood, but I'm classy. Rich, but I'm ratchet. Haters kept my name in their mouth, now they gagging.
Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. You know it's your godmother Nature. And as you can tell from the title, you know what we're doing. But first, let me tell you guys about what I have coming for you guys. So I've started working out. Like your girl trying to get like her summer body. I'm trying to, you know, be looking really super cute, you know, body wise. I'm trying to look. So far I've been losing like a couple pounds, but I haven't really been checking. But I see, you know. But hold on, let me show you guys what's up. I'm trying to get my weight under control, and I am trying to get my stamina up because but anyways, that video will be coming for you guys. I'll be showing you guys my route to so I will be showing you guys my route to, you know, Snatched Village. So with no further ado, come on, let's get into the video. So as you can tell from the title, we'll be following this awesome YouTuber that I found because I was just looking for like a nice look, you know, simple with no cut crease or anything like that, and I found her. And when as soon as I saw the thumbnail, I was like, oh my god. Her name is Joycey Reyes. Joycey Reyes? I think that's how you pronounce it. I'm gonna be putting it up right here. I'm gonna be following her tutorial today. I started the video and I just looked at, you know, some of the things that she did. So I'm going to let's get into this video and stop running my mouth. Hopefully these people don't interrupt me. I will be watching it on my sister's tablet. Androids be so hard to use.
How you like me now? Do what time you want.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a tutorial on this look right here. I'm going to prime my face using my MAC Fix Plus, and I'm just going to be spraying this all over my face. And for foundation, I'm going to be using my L'Oreal Infallible. And
pause. Okay, so she's getting into foundation already. Thank God that I went and did my brows and primed my eyes and everything, so we're not wasting any time. My beauty blender sucks up my product way too much, and I love me some coverage. It's so weird starting with foundation.
For concealer, I'm going to be using this one by Fenty Beauty, and this one is probably my favorite concealer at the moment.
Okay, so she just went in and, you know, put her concealer under her eyes, so I'm gonna use my concealer straight out my stuff.
I just been so obsessed with it, I can't stop using it. I love the coverage, and it also blends so easily. I highly recommend it to you guys. But yeah, now I'm blending,
just like she did,
blending it out with my beauty blender.
Okay, so let's play this again. Okay, so she's setting her under eye with setting powder. So I'm just going to get into setting my under eyes. I think I'm using too much, way too much. Where else does she? Oh, she takes it lower. Okay, okay. Okay. I think she's priming her eyes, but my lid's already primed. And now we just get a brush and we start dusting off the product. Okay guys, so unfortunately all my setting powder that was at the top is now gone. Is this how makeup's supposed to look? I look like a powder ghost. What do you guys think? I think it looks really nice. You know, the back camera is better, it shows you everything. I think so far it is looking okay, but it's just the eyeshadow I'm worrying about. However this comes out, I'm going to have to deal with it. She's bronzing. I don't really bronze, I just contour. But let's see, she's doing here, above here, here, above here. Okay. And then she's moving, using more setting powder. I'm gonna be going in with this fluffy brush and the palette. My Zulu palette, my baby. She's kind of dirty right now. So it has a brown in here, so I'm gonna use this brown and see what happens. I don't know. I don't know much about bronzing, so. Oh, I think I put too much. Let me just dust this in, rub this in. So far, I like the technique. I like how it looks. You guys like how it looks? Alright, tell me in the comment section. So after she went into setting powder, so what else she did? Blush. Okay. Blush, 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 blush. What do I use for blush? I know she's highlighting. Okay, she's dusting off the product. Yeah, let's dust the shit off ASAP.
Now I'm going to set my makeup and I'm going to use the same spray I used.
Okay, so she's setting her makeup, and honestly, I don't have a setting spray. Okay, so far my face is not looking too bad.
Eyeshadow.
Okay, she's starting eyeshadow.
For this look, I'm going to be using the James Charles palette. You guys already know. If I need to use like any color or I want to do anything colorful, I go ahead and pick up the James
Charles palette
has,
is
like, all the
bomb.
But anyways, I'm going to be using this yellow eyeshadow and I'm going to be placing it on the crease. And I'm going to be using my Morphe M441 brush.
I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna start doing that right now. And my brushes are not top-notch brushes, so they're going to have a lot of fallout. I don't like this. use my hand to apply it. Cheap brushes are just not even worth money. It's best to use your hands, because I don't know what is going on here. I don't look so pigmented and I look so weird. I'm gonna just blend it in with my hand. Okay guys, so those two shadows were not working together at all. I just didn't like the way they looked, so I just fast forward and I'm telling you guys what I think. I'm just convinced that these shadows are very chalky. The only shadows in this palette that really kind of, I think, have like some pigment to it that's working for me is the purple and I think the orange. Okay, so I'm gonna turn this into a review real quick, because honestly, I'm reviewing two things. These brushes, I'm gonna put the brush up on the side here. These brushes, honestly, don't waste your money. Do not waste your time, do not waste your money, okay? They're called URL or something. I'll put it up on the screen. And I'm going to be doing a review on this Zulu palette that I've been using for a good while now. It's a very, 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 very nice palette. However, I paid $90 EC for it. The thing about this palette, the colors, the pink, yellow, brown, orange, purple, they all have their different consistency. And purples are hard shade to make. I've heard Jeffree Star and other people that make eyeshadow palettes say that it's a harder thing to make. But in this Zulu palette, the purple is the bomb out of everything. The rest, the brown, the yellow, I'm absolutely not a fan of the brown and the yellow. The yellow, look at this. You saw me try to apply the yellow. No. It looks so nice, but it's just chalky. But however, the purple, this purple is smooth and it sticks. I'm digging it up, no fall. Out of this palette, I love the shimmers of the chain. There's 3 shimmers of the chain. There's only 3 of them, 3 shadows in here that I could actually use to create a look. So if you're low on fun and you want a palette, you want everything to work, I'll say Zulu palette. That's just my honest opinion on this palette. And you see that purple? That purple will stain you. That's how pigmented that purple is. I'm being very honest, because I think people should know that. Because a lot of people message me and be like, oh, that Zulu palette, or they like the colors, they like the shades. I'm being very honest about this palette, because I just tried to use that palette to do a simple look and it's not working. But let's get right back into this. The brush, don't buy these brushes. These brushes can't help you do nothing. Save your money and buy yourself something worth it, please. Okay, so after she did all the blending out, she did some at the bottom. Okay, so she went into some glitter. I'm gonna go into my Sahara Juvia's palette. I love this palette. This palette is awesome.
You know,
color palette
being extra, I decided to add a little bit, just a little bit of glitter. So I'm going to be doing that right now.
Okay guys, so I lined my lips and put on some lip gloss, and that's pretty much the look. Look how her stuff is so pigmented, and look at mine. I have to get that James Charles palette, period. I have to get it. I recommend this palette, but yellow, pink, the brown, they don't have nothing for you, honestly. But other than that, it's pretty awesome palette. I've been using this palette in like 3 videos of mine so far, and I have some upcoming looks that features this palette, so I do recommend it. Okay guys, so this was fun and interesting. This is just a comparison. I hope you guys could go check her out. I'll leave her in the description box. Manita out. Shwayne.